John, Kel, Bucky's dad's in now. Kel. Work on this P40. Look at this P40 song. P51 Mustang. Look at John Kelly working on this P51 Mustang.
Well,
yeah.
I'm just sort
What's
of
up,
standing
John
here.
Kelly?
How you doing, Daryl?
What's up, man?
Doing good, Daryl. You coming tomorrow?
Yeah, I'll be here tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll be here tomorrow. Woo! Yeah, we got John Kelly working on this P51 Mustang. Toyota trucks, Home Depot. I'm out of control. Today's half out of control day on the 4th of July. For the next 30, for the Raptor 60. I'm gonna get us started about Raptor 60. How many times I gotta tell you that, people? Get us started about Raptor 60. What's up, Mom? It's half out of control day. Today's half out of control day.
Right?
Yeah, I just flew my P47. I was having trouble getting it started. It's not getting the fuel. It's not getting the fuel into the carburetor. I think I might have to replace the carburetor or the clunk line in the fuel tank. I think my clunk lines get back or the carburetor. I shoot it into the carburetor with my.
Did it start?
Yeah, it start right up. Yeah. This is the second time.
It's dried
I
up.
just replaced it. Yeah, it was all dried up because
you used the premix one?
I just replaced the fuel tubing and everything. Yeah. So I replaced 100%. I replaced it last month. Cool. But she good to go now. Yeah, baby. Woo. They're setting up for 4th of July. It's 4th of July. Setting up the tent. Tomorrow it's going to be a big event. So this is it, guys. This is it. It's going to be a big day tomorrow for the Raptor 90. Get us started about Raptor 90, man. How many times I got to tell you that? Get us started about Raptor 90. To a dear to legend hobby. I want another P47 racing back Ricky Rabbit. Right now, with the EME 70 twin with auto start and the top speed 142 miles per hour. Faster than Porsche. All right, guys. They're doing a combat competition out here, guys. They're doing a Foamie jet combat. Here we go. Oh. Oh! Here we go. Let's hit it. Look, Paul Bingham still got the lowest, man. Trying to crash into each other, doing the combat. Oh, almost got him. There's Paul Bingham in the white jet. White jet. Alright, let's do some bebop. Combat. Oh, almost got him. Combat crash. Combat. RC jet. RC jet. Combat. They go on the crash. They go there. Combat. Get started. Combat. Get started. Almost got him. That jet did a Superman. Oh, almost got him. Calm back crash. Calm back crash. Calm back crash. Calm back competition. Calm back crash. Calm back crash. Combat jets. Combat jet. Combat crash. Combat crash. Don't mess with the combat crash. Do the game bucky. Do the game bucky. Do the game bucky. Come on, you gotta do better than that. Come on. There you go, there you go. Oh. Ooh, almost. Come on. You gotta do better than that. Come on. There you go. Oh! But I tell you, man. Then I tell you, people always crashing in place, man. Every time. For the route to 90. And look, he's still going. Paul Bing was still going. Look, Paul Bing was like, but it nothing happened. He pretended like it nothing happened first. He crashed into jet each other, and it's just still going. Nothing happened. How cool is that, guys? Man.
I think it'll come apart.
Uh-oh.
You know what? Yeah, that'll come off.
Oh, man.
How far out there, Mike?
Uh-oh. He crashed?
Yeah, it's okay.
Oh. It's part of the hobby, guys.
I'll stay there.
You still got some more for me?
Yeah. Just had to get a purple rubber band.
Come on, get it.
All right. All right, he's going to go get his plane. His plane crashed right down there. Nothing happened. Ooh. Princess Peach, Princess Peach, Princess Peach, Princess Daisy, Princess Daisy, Princess Daisy. Blue truck. Oh, hey, oh.
This thing don't fly very good anymore, man. Oh.
Is that a suck?
I thought that was it.
Come on, look
Right there.
Ooh. Ooh.
Yeah, I can't see up there.
You can't fly through the sun?
Hell no. I don't know where Ray's at. I hope he's out way out there. Yeah, right there.
Ooh.
You gotta be kind of balanced too, I would think. Stay there. Stay there. Right at you. I can't.
Oh! Did a good job. 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 Nice. Nice. That was sick. Oh, that's how he's laying right now. Bad, ran out of juice. Did a good job. Did a good job. Yeah.